Hi everyone, Cherie here. Today I'm going to be putting together a pocket page spread featuring the beautiful Flourish kit from Citrus Twist Kits. This is the kit for October, the Life Crafted kit. And I've already chosen some of the journaling cards that I want to use on this spread today. There are lots of really pretty cards in the kit this month. I especially love this one here that you can fill in, but it just didn't suit what I was doing today, but I'll definitely be using this on another spread this month. So as you can see, lots of really fun cards to choose from. I'm going with this yellow one here and another one for journaling because there's a fair bit of journaling I want to add to this spread, but I really loved this floral card, so that's definitely going on there. This yellow card here is actually the digital version of this one here. So as you can see, my printer has printed it out as a darker yellow. I'm totally fine with that. It still sort of blends in with the other colors that are on my spread today, but by using the digital version I was able to just add my journaling before printing that out, which is what I was going for. The blue card here, I would have done the same, however my printer just refuses to print this really pretty blue. So what I've done instead is print my journaling onto some vellum, and then I can just layer that over the top of that card, and you can still see the blue and the lines underneath there as well. Okay, I've got some other bits and pieces here I'm going to use on this spread today. I've got this Flourish stamp set. I'm going to use the phrase "my favourite time of year." So I've got that stamp set there. I've also got the tiny word stickers. I'm hoping to find a sticker to match each of these photos in the spread today. So I really want to use those. I love that colour. I've got the stars, the puffy stickers here. I'll probably use a star sticker on this photo of our state fair. So I've got those there, and I've also got the puffy alpha stickers. I really love this green, and I've already got the word October there that I'm going to use on this spread. I've got a couple of the ephemera pieces there. This So Good one was from the printables that are printed out. As you can see, my printer just doesn't want to print that really nice blue, but totally fine. I can still use bits and pieces from that sheet. Okay, I think I'm ready to make a start, so I'll pop you on fast forward and get right into it. So to start off with, I'm going to do a little bit of stamping, and I've got the phrase "my favourite time of year," just stamping it onto a scrap piece of white cardstock there. Now I can cut that one out, just sitting that on top of that floral card for now. I haven't adhered that down just yet. Moving on to that vellum journaling, I'm using some vellum tape to adhere that onto the noted card there. I love this vellum tape. I've had it for years in my stash and it really works well. You cannot see the tape through that vellum. Okay, I can go ahead and adhere that stamped phrase onto the center of that floral card. And now I'm going to grab my sewing machine and add stitching to each of those cards. Alright, next up I'm going to add the October word to the side of that yellow journaling card. Just working my way along with those beautiful puffy alphabet stickers, and now I'm going to put that card aside as well. Next up I'm going to add a little cluster to the top left of this photo. So I really love how the colours in this kit work so well with this photo. I've got this little tag from the cut apart sheet. I'm just adding a bit of twine to that just to add a little bit of texture, tying a little tiny bow on the end of that tag and just trim the ends off, and that's going to go in that top left corner. I've also got that little ticket that I'm going to tuck in behind it as well. So I will go ahead and stick those pieces down. I'm quite happy with those too, but I will be adding to that very shortly. Alright, so that ticket can go on there, and we've got that little So Good tag as well. I've got one of the word stickers there that's going on. It says "It's on," and I'm going to add a star, but first I want to add some stitching along that tag. So there we go, that is done. I've got that star on there now. I've got more word stickers to go on the other photos as well. So that one says "Looking Good." Just looking at the photo of our little budgies there, I do want to add that love piece onto that photo. I'm just trying to work out if I want it at the top or the bottom. I'm layering on another word sticker there that says "Oh my days," and I've decided to put it at the top of that photo. Just looking at what else I can add to these photos. I've got the puffy sticker that says "Beauty" that I've just added to the cactus photo there, and adding another word sticker to the cups photo there that says "Heck yes." Alright, so I've decided to add a couple of enamel dots before and after that noted word, just to add another little bit of colour to that noted card. So looking at what else I can add now, adding a couple more enamel dots to that large photo at the bottom there. And I'm also adding it to the October card as well, using the pink ones for that. Okay, so just looking at what else I want to add to this spread. And I'm thinking about some puffy hearts. I'm going to add a puffy heart to the cups photo there, a puffy heart onto the cactus photo, and I will also add one to the budgie photo as well. Just working out where to put that one. Okay, so that is it. I'll give you a closer look at each of the cards there. You can see the pretty colours and the stitching on those, and give you a closer look at the puffy stickers on that cactus photo and the My Favourite Time of Year floral card. We've got the other cards at the top here now. You can see the enamel dots there, the stitching and that little puffy heart. And then you can have a closer look at that cluster on the large photo. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing how I've put this spread together today. I'll leave a link to Citrus Twist kits down below. And let me know if you've got any questions. I'll look forward to seeing you again very soon with another project. Bye for now.